Hey everybody! If you want to create a Samsung account or sign in into a Samsung account, you may follow up these methods and you should be able to do it very easily. So you can open up the settings app for that on your Samsung device and you just need to scroll down and go to the section for the accounts and backup. So once you find accounts and backup, you can tap on it. And after you go over there, you need to look out for the section for manage account and tap on it. After you tap on manage account here, you'll be finding all of your accounts available. You can scroll down and basically look out for the option for add account and tap on it. Now once you tap on it here, you should be finding a bunch of options available. So if you want to create a Samsung account, you can select the option for Samsung account. And you just need to go over and follow the prompts to agree terms and conditions, enter your personal info and set up a password, usually if you do it within your Samsung device. But if your account is already created, you cannot do it within the same device. So we can start by opening our browser instead. Open up a browser. And within your browser, you can go to account.samsung.com. So go over and type in account.samsung.com and hit enter. After you hit enter, here you'll be finding a bunch of options, and if you want to create an account, look out for the create account at the very top and tap on it. Once you tap on it, you can start with the process of creating your Samsung account. So you can agree to the terms and conditions and even check out the following options. Once you've checked it out, you can agree to the terms and conditions, tap on agree. You can read it out before doing so. And once you do so, you need to provide in these necessary details. So provide in your email address first, and right below it you need to provide in your password that you will be using. After you use your password, you need to provide in your first name in this box right here and right below the last name. After that, you need to provide in your birth date as well. And once that is done, just go over and tap on next, and you need to set up two-step verification with your phone number and verify your email address via the link sent by Samsung. And once that is done, your new account should be created. You can just sign up using that account from now onwards. And that's it, everybody. So that is it, everybody. If you'd like to create a Samsung account, those are probably the method you can follow up. So we hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.